Drum roll, please. $53.13. So that's exactly how much we made this month of June. It's going right into our account. Boom. Confirm. Next trading window. Confirm. Alright, so month one, $53.13. Not bad. If you're new here, every single month I go over exactly how much I make online passively, and we add it over to this dividend paying investing account. So if that sounds interesting to you, watch the rest of this video and we'll break down exactly how we did it and where we're headed next. Thanks. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Mike Moore. Today we're going to be talking about our passive income for the month of June. First, I just want to say thank you so much to our 40 subscribers. We just started a week ago. We've got 3 videos out. I'm really excited about it. Everything's been going great. I really appreciate all the new subscribers, the comments, the likes, and everything. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I'm really excited to show everybody how to start investing and how you can start making passive income online. On this account, we started off a dividend investing account with only $100. I'm going to be adding $10 per day for my day job, and I'm also going to be adding in all monthly income from my side hustles, basically YouTube, affiliate sales, blogs, etc. Once we add up that number every month, which we're doing today, we're going to add that into our M1 Finance investing account and add that to our dividend fund to hopefully increase more passive income in the future. So without further ado, let me break it down here. We made a little spreadsheet for ourselves. This is June 2019. This is the first month we started the channel, so here's our first month numbers. Basically, we have 3 or 4 sources of income. We have YouTube ad revenue, we have affiliate income, we have dividend income, and we have my Wealthfront high interest savings account interest. We just started, so we haven't been able to receive much affiliate income, dividends yet, or Wealthfront interest. But overall, we were still able to make about $53.13 from my other YouTube channel, my channel we're going to be referring to a lot. Autohaven is the name. It's about cars, drag racing, basically anything to do with cars. So this month we were able to do about $53.13 passively online. We had about 31,400 views this month, and in the last 48 hours we're at about 2,800 views. If you're interested in learning more about YouTube, I highly suggest you subscribe. I'm going to be taking an in-depth look at building up YouTube channels, how you can get your subscriber rate up, how you can get your views up, and how you can start making some money on the side with YouTube. So as you can see, we made $53.13. I also added my new channel here. Since we're so new, we haven't made any money yet. YouTube basically makes it where you have to have 4,000 watch hours to be able to monetize your videos, so we're probably a long way away from that. But that's okay. I've also added our affiliate income. So M1 Finance, the investing brokerage I use, if people sign up under my link, I get a little cutback, and so do they. So if anyone signs up for the month of June, you're going to get $20 when you start up your account and put at least $100 into it. I also signed up for Amazon affiliate, so I've got a couple books and a couple things I've linked to in my channel that really help me get ahead financially. And also I've started a affiliate account for Vivid Racing and Tire Rack, which I'm going to link to in this car racing channel. Hopefully get some clicks and some sales that way. We've added our 3 dividend ETFs, and we've also added our Wealthfront high interest savings account. So next month we'll be able to see exactly how much we're starting to make from our investments. And then last but not least, I'm putting in $10 a day into this account just from my day job. So for the month of June, since we started so late, we put in $70. This puts us at a total of about $123 that's going into this portfolio this month. Month one, $123. We're only going to go up from here. So I'm excited to see where this journey goes, and hopefully you are too. So I just made a little chart here for 2019. I split it up into 2 things, passive income versus dividends / investment income. First month we have no dividends or investment income. Next month we should see a good bump up here in terms of passive income. Welcome to my M1 Finance portfolio. We're going to call this the Passive Income FIRE portfolio. I went ahead today and changed it up a little bit. I took out, we had $8.53 in the bond market. And we're just going to go ahead and switch that up and redo our pie a little bit. We added 20% into what I'm calling the Moneymaker Mike pie. This is just a couple different ETFs more focused on growth appreciation, so we get a little bit more of that. We're at $170.66. We've made 69 cents so far, and with that, we're at a 0.55% return over the last week. I wanted to reiterate that we are in the month of July, and if anyone wants to sign up, it's a really good time to do so because you're going to be getting a free $20 when you do sign up this month. If you or any friends you have want to sign up, please use the link in my description. Really appreciate it. And that's it for today's video, everybody. I just wanted to show you what our income spreadsheet looks like and show you exactly how we plan on growing our passive income over the next couple months. If this is something you're interested in or you'd like to see some more, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, smash that like button. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.